Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, June 13, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Long day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Same here. Always running around for sales. Hey, did you hear about some news from this week?
Yeah, I did. What's on your mind?
First, there's something about politics. I saw on CNN that some countries in Europe are making a new trade plan.
Oh, really? What kind of plan?
It's about sharing more goods without extra costs. Good for business, I think.
That sounds interesting. It could help companies like ours save money.
Exactly. More money for us, less for taxes.
True. But I wonder how it will work for smaller businesses. Will they get help too?
Good point. I just hope it means more clients for me.
Let's see how it goes. We need good news like this.
Yeah, we do. Hey, speaking of news, I also read something cool about technology.
Oh, what's that? I'm curious.
It's from the Wall Street Journal. They say a big company is making a new app for work stuff.
An app for work? Like what?
It helps with meetings and tasks, all on your phone. Sounds like less computer time.
That's nice. I'm always on my computer, so an app could save time.
Right? I'm tired of staring at screens all day.
Me too. But I hope it's easy to use for everyone.
Yeah. If it's too hard, I'm out. I'm no tech guy.
Don't worry, I'll help you if you get stuck.
Thanks, Alex. You're the best with this stuff.
No problem. Did you hear any other news this week?
Oh, yeah. There's something fun about culture. I saw on CNN that a huge music event is happening soon.
A music event? Tell me more.
It's a big concert with singers from all over the world. They're raising money for schools.
That's so cool. Music and helping kids at the same time?
Yeah, I love that idea. Makes me want to buy a ticket.
Same here. Do you know where it's happening?
I think it's in a big city in Europe. Not sure which one.
Well, I hope they show it online. I'd watch it after work.
Me too, with some coffee and snacks. Perfect evening.
Sounds like a plan. Music always makes me feel good.
Totally. Hey, it's nice to chat about something other than work.
Yeah, it's a good break. These coffee moments are the best.
For sure. I always look forward to them.
Me too. It's a quick way to catch up.
Hey, speaking of catching up, I've got a client call in 5 minutes.
Oh, I've got to prepare for my meeting too. So much to do.
Always busy, huh? Well, let's get to it.
Yeah, let's do this. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
See you at the coffee machine tomorrow.
You bet. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.